I'd like to explain to you and show you and demonstrate our new fob detector, which gives a much better operating sequence than the current products that you see in front of you in the marketplace. All of these products have a float within them, and the activation and repurging of the keg needs to, in each of these cases, have two operations performed outside the main part of the fob detector, and I'll show you where they are on each of them. On this one, the one operation is there, and the second operation is there. On this one, it's there, and the second one is there. On this one, it's a button at the top, and on the lever at the bottom here. On this one, you can quite clearly see two grey levers, and on this one here is a button at the top and a black button at the bottom, and on this one here there's a turn device at the top here and a press button there. Our device, our fob detector, does away with all that lot and is replaced with, now we come to the fob detector that we've been developing, and it has a similar principle. It's got a float inside, you can hear it rattling around, and it also has the beer coming in at the bottom and the beer coming out at the top, which is slightly an improvement. But the most important feature on this is the button. One single button, one single operation. And you press the button and it changes, and I'm holding it down while I do it, it changes the flow pattern inside this area here. So instead of the flow going into the bowl from the keg, it actually goes underneath the ball. And in doing that, it lifts the ball off the bottom. And at the same time, it opens up and allows the fob to come out of this tube here. And while all that is happening, the fob is coming out, slowly the bowl is getting filled with new beer. And once that happens, the ball will float automatically because it's pushed off the bottom by the beer that's coming in. And when that happens, all you need to do is reverse the button, let it go back because it's spring loaded, and the beer will then be going through to the tap. A one button, simple operation as compared with the likelihood of having issues with not nullifying the other button on the current products. It is much better, this, because you can sterilize the bowl much better. There's no cheating in this system, which can happen, and I'm not going to explain how, on current products where the top of the bowl is not actually ever sterilized. Thank you.